YouTube? Back with another vlog. Ahorita miren dónde estoy en el jale. I was slaving. This was with me. Daddy. Freaking iPad kid, bro. Every time we go to eat, siempre luego saca el iPhone y pone sus videos. Nah, I can't hear what you said. He said he watches corn.
What? Dude.
Yeah, we're gonna go to a truck meet. We're gonna dip in like 20 minutes, go get showered, eat. What you gonna eat?
I got food, huh? I got food I got from me at home. I got cooking up.
Entonces, ¿con esto no te llenas?
Huh?
¿No te llenas con eso?
No, probably. In the water. Oh, in the water.
Sure.
Yeah, me get no for like the rest of the night.
Not me. Y'all about to see the plater I got waiting for me at home.
I'm just gonna eat a whole buffet.
How do you know?
That's what you always eat. And they say you don't skip breakfast though.
I did. I used to fast. Not anymore. I'd be hungry. I'd be starving. But yeah, I'll pick it up when I'm home. At the shower. A ver, ¿dónde está mi comida? A ver. ¿Qué me trajeron? ¿Qué me trajeron? ¿Es este? Miren nomás. Mi buffet. Lo voy a quebrar. Los nachos. ¿Las quesadillas? Oh, aquí están. Mira, quesadillas, nachos, flautas, alas y mozzarella sticks. Ahorita los veo en la truck meet. Baja ese camarada, ¿pa' dónde va? Va. I guess we're not going. Nah, he told me he forgot his wallet.
You left us?
He forgot his wallet. He went back. Fucking dumbass. How you forget your wallet? Damn, bright ass lights, bro.
Dirty ass camera.
Oh, otra vez. Hey, you got your wallet now for real?
Yeah.
And the condoms? ¿Para el rato? Alright, let's go.
Oh yeah.
You gotta put them on, eh?
I got a put up a stereo and turn it live. I'ma go ring the whole when I'm on this fame. Them hoes going crazy, going book wide.
Where y'all at? We're in fucking Taquache line, girl. Are you vlogging?
Hey, vlog to vlog.
Saucy with OutDaNawf, girl. Hey, when are we gonna make a collab though?
Oh, I be getting at you, bro. Whenever. But we stay right near each other too, cuz.
On weekend.
A weekend? I'll be if it's gonna have to be at night.
I'm down.
At night? Alright, let's fuck it. But,
I'll see you in a minute.
alright, ¿dónde están las trocas?
I left it home.
Oh, okay. Alright, fuck it, we gonna park somewhere then. Alright, bet.
Where we park?
I don't know, let's park, shit. Donde sea. Hey, fucking park right here.
Where? The gas?
Yeah.
Yo le iba a grabar, pero en baja calidad. Y ella me dijo que no está, es una maldita loca, una ratatá. Ella lo que quiere es que la ponga en 4K. En 4K.
Damn it, boy. We parked. They took our fucking parking spots, bro. That was. Which one? ODN's parking spot. My truck not even here. Yeah, las flakes. No burnouts? It's so smaller from the last one.
No, this is the same one that got moved. I guess the other one got fucking raided or whatever.
Hey, I'm gonna go walk around. Just to like get all the trucks on the road or whatever done. You wanna walk with me? You too? Or no? Alright, fuck it. Is this Esteban? Oh, I thought that was Esteban. Yeah, what the fuck? No, hombre, las trocas más chingonas son las de allá atrás, mira. Esas sí cargan, pero con huevos. Yeah.
Ahora, here comes sausage. Sausage party.
Hey, look, I think I'm gonna have to cut me one of those.
Oh, the Kenworth?
Yeah, the credit.
Leave a like, subscribe. If not, I'm gonna go take that booty, nigga. Sausage birds.
Quote from the...
OutDaNawf Truckin. Si no, ya saben los que les va a pasar.
Nos va a agarrar el cucuy en la noche.
¿Les decíamos qué les puedo hacer?
¿Qué onda, qué onda?
Oh, what's up? The giveaway. What happened to the giveaway, bro?
The giveaway.
The last part.
Somebody won.
Oh, okay. Who was it?
Era mi primo allá en México, lo ganó.
Oh, yo pensé que era este güey, nalgón. Damn, my bad, really.
That's nalgón. Where's your truck? Oh, the Ford.
Yeah, I got a case to beat, so I can't be caught up in these beats no more.
Oh, ¿sí verdad? I heard it.
You know, we don't say too much, but, you know, fuck them niggas.
Hey, throw off your tag. It's been tag.
Hold on. I got that hoe 2 days ago. So it's not. Hey, wait for that sleeve though. Can I have my own sleeve on?
Hey, he don't play. Cool. I see y'all got like half the crew, or ni siquiera.
Yeah, I mean it's a little bit of everybody, but
You were at the first location?
nah, they told me it got raided and I came over here. I'm one of the first people here. Yeah. I didn't think we was gonna get distracted.
I thought it was gonna be more fun.
Because half of the people went.
This early, bro? No more. not ready by the time we get there.
That dude messed up too.
Yeah. Oye, nos siguió otro y ahí llegó atrás de nosotros. A ver si va a ir otra vez. I don't know who it was. Alright, let's watch him.
Yeah, my tire popped.
It cracked.
See, it happened the same shit.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, we cracked the rim.
Look at that fucking bump, bro.
That bump was steep as hell. No fucking way, bro.
Bueno, that's why the tires también es flat, todo salió todo el aire.
Y this, oh.
I don't know, the other ones are good too. This one not.
Check your guessing right now.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, guys. Let me see if I can find the hole or the pothole where he. No, it's low. We're stranded. What do we do? Should we call your dad or should we see if somebody can get us? Oh my god, where's the fucking hole? We're on the search of the papa we hit, or he hit. Bro, we saw it last minute. Oh my. Right there, ahorita que sale, look. Aquí me slow down. Damn, bro. It was this one.
I think it was this one.
Ahí viene un carro, ¿Sí lo viste?
No?
Ahí está, mira. Hold on. El pajo, bueno, ahí viene un carro. Ahí, mira, guáchale con la luz ahorita que brilla. ¡Oh, vente! So, I don't know if we're gonna go to the truck. Well, we're not gonna go to the truck no more. Last location. Yeah, it's done. But yeah, I'm not gonna stop vlogging. We're gonna see what happens. Right now, we're trying to get a spare, put it, see if it even goes on, because the tire's fat. And then this motherfucker is short.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a lift you doing.
Look. Hey, Pri. You're on vlog. Guess where we're at? You just what? Hey, what do you think we are? Should I show him? Yeah. Huh? We broke down. Look. Oh, turn the light.
Great what?
They cracked in half. That's his reaction. Huh? We're right here by your house. Yeah, we're like 5 minutes away. Bro, we hit a fucking pothole. Bro, I was going normal speed, bro. I was going like 60. 60 on a curve. Literally about to turn. Still going 60, bro. He pushes this hoe. Like if it wasn't like how low he is, he pushes it a bit too low. He'd be going 90. Personally, I would not do that if I was this low. Matter of fact, when I get mine, I'm gonna be going like 20 on the freeway. It's the front passenger. Look. What's on the way? Because I'm gonna see it on the way. They're already on the way to and I'm here. Yeah. But we just had a random tow truck pull up on us. It's just a spare. We're gonna see if we can fit a spare. Does he have one? Hey, he's gonna wait or not? No, he's gonna drive around. He gave me his number por si acaso. Oh. If the spare don't work, alright, we'll set to this one. Now we're just going for Jen's parents to pull up with a spare. They shouldn't be that far already. We've been waiting for like 30 minutes now.
I know you never paid for this shit. It's just.
Oh, did he tell you how much?
240.
Imagine working for that shit. He's gonna see how far he can go. Alright. Take a look at it. Ya se está saliendo. No me trataron bien.
Put it on the wall.
I'm hanging on my wall. Huh? You gonna frame it?
I'm gonna frame it.
Frame like one part, and then on right next to it the other part. Alright, rescue came. Vamos a ver qué vamos a hacer. We got the spare. Por de acá, de este lado.
Wherever we can lift it, I don't know.
De acá está más abierto, hasta el frame no llega.
It's got, since it's lower, I don't know if it's gonna
Lift it up from right here.
go from the frame. You should be able, I can get it from the frame on the side. Can you try right here?
A ver, así pues esta chingadera.
A ver, here, you hold the hand camera. Make sure we record right.
Why you can't record right?
No, I'm telling you, make sure we record right.
Si no va a quedar esa enfrente, vas a tener que meter esta para enfrente y esa y la de atrás vas a poner acá.
Ah, no, pero también tiene todo.
Eso es porque no le compres 22 a tu troca.
No, yo lo voy a levantar.
Cómprale 20
No.
y más anchas las llantitas. ¿Dónde están? ¿Esos 22 están buenas?
Pues yo ya estoy muy tarde, yo también tengo
Te digo.
Yo te digo, es que esos con un golpecito. Nomás se doblan un poquito.
Y se truenan.
Hasta que nomás levantan, ¿no? Oh. Ya no sirve.
No, ya no sirve.
Hey, lift it up more. Right there. Ponle unos dos primero y luego la bajamos a ver si. Oh. Las refacciones son más altas que las normales.
Sí.
Y son 18, fíjate. Creo que son 18.
7.
17. ¿Una refacción? ¿Ya? ¿Ya? ¿Tu refacción?
¿Ah?
¿Tu refacción?
And it's the same size. Yeah, it's the same size, 255. Mine's that one's a 255.
¿Algo así?
Sí.
Además de pintar los cromaditos o de color, píntalos anaranjados. Mira.
¡A huevo! No pasa nada.
Aire.
Ah, está.
No tienes que pasar. No, pues ahí en la gasolinera. Vete despacito. En la gas station, ahí tienes que echarle aquí.
Hey, are you not rubbing?
Ahí están las.
Oh my god.
¿Eh?
A la mitad. Pero la llanta sí está bien, ¿no?
La llanta sí se mira bien.
It looks good.
Por dentro, quién sabe si la recojo.
Yeah.
Ya cuando la quitemos.
Sí.
Mira, se ve chida, ¿verdad?
No le pasa nada.
Sí, ahorita dale otra vez para calarla si no truena. Esta la vas a poner allá porque es un crash your paint. Just trying to get the block out. But we put a brick on it so it could lift up from the front.
Tienes que mandarse un sticker del mismo nombre y luego rescate. Sí, rescate. Ahí para ponérsela a esa troca así.
Rescates Cook.
Sí, rescates todo. Reparaciones
¿No le va a quitar el tubo?
No, sí. Pégalo. No, lo tenía al revés. Me lo está raspando. Se está haciendo mi rin.
I didn't know how close we were to the road. What the heck?
Yo casi me lo imaginaba ya porque yo también iba bien recio, no se fija. Como 3 veces ¡tras! Oh, anoche cuando los
Sí,
llegó.
anoche cuando fuimos. Ya sabía que le iba a pasar eso. Y le dije también que el tanque le vale queso. Y es gasolina. Ahí se le va a quemar y no le pone el tanque rápido para arriba. Bueno, échala. Ahí nos vemos, ahí va con cuidado.
Sí, ahí vamos.
Pues no tengo que parar la casa.
On top? On top? No?
Can I bring something else?
Do it again? Or maybe you're on top of something. Here, go again. It's not spinning.
The wheel?
Yeah, go a little more. Shine the light. Alright, it's been a minute now. We're gonna see how it goes down. The last option we got is to send a tow truck because that spare got stuck on the spindle and it's been a bitch taking it out.
Oh, I think he does have that little T. Could he pull me?
Yeah, we're gonna get towed.
Tus drogas, güey.
Vamos a ponerle los bloques. Put a plug in the front. Put it in the plug.
No plug.
But that one,
I'm gonna let it back.
esa era de la troca, ¿no?
Sí, creo que sí. Ah,
¿No?
¿o no? Oh, sí, ahí va. Se los vamos a tener que poner más para allá.
Sí, dile que un poquito más. Dile que un poquito más.
Go more forward a little bit. Right there, right there. All right, good. Oh my god. Yeah, he's gonna need a new valence, bro. Hey, you're gonna need a new valence.
Why?
It's bent from him pulling it.
The valence?
Your valence, yeah.
Oh, he's pulling the valence?
Oh no, not the the lower part of your bumper, the black part.
For real?
Yes, it's bent. ¿Cómo? ¿Nomás uno o dos?
Pregúntale, pues llevamos que salgan dos conmigo. No, lo bueno que no dañó nada ya.
¿Ah?
No dañó nada.
No, sí, el de frente.
Pero, ¿qué fue?
El bumper.
La parte negra de abajo.
Dice que pueden dos, pero creo que los tres se van a ir contigo y atrás.
Sí.
Que se vaya ahí con él.
We're going to lay down. Damn, on the freeway, on the bed, what the hell? Oh yeah, we got to lay down because si nos ve la chota nos va a parar. Ya no estamos en México. Yeah. Truck me video failed. Literally, huh? No se pudo, no, we were just there for a little bit. The moon is. It's a full moon. Oh man, the tree's blocking it. You see how bright the moon is? That's how bright I want my YouTube channel to shine and just blow up. One day, man. Mamalona down. Yeah. Have to put the blocks in there. También dijo, ¿por qué no nos llevó? Ya, ven.
¿Un accidente gacho?
Nah.
Vato, ahí por la antes de la New York Hopper, el vato se salió del freeway,
Ajá.
le pegó este carro, venía un carro en el freeway, fue y le pegó y se lo llevó y yo creo mató al vato del...
¿Ahorita?
Ahorita que venimos, ¿tú lo miraste? El vato lo mató al vato. Yo creo que lo mató, el carrito por abajo, y este vato le pegó al otro y se fue del freeway para allá. Y apenas, necesitamos la verga apenas, ¿no?
No, pues es que no nos queremos agarrar.
Sí, ya lo que miré, como el día dije, nada, estos se vienen a...
Go get the other one out from the other side. The big one. Maybe.
Calentándolo este. A lo mejor sale. Calentándolo ahí.
Ya no está tan gacho este lado, pero ese lado sí.
Pero con las luces a lo mejor sale. ¿Para que tengo? Sí.
So we're done. How do you turn on the light? I just opened it? Yeah. So, mission failed. Truck me video failed.
At least you got him saved.
Yeah, these were
With minor damage.
Yeah, some slide, just the wheel, drop spin. Que se calle.
Yeah.
That's excited so I can talk on the camera.
Damn, I got work in 2 hours.
Damn. You're not gonna call in? No. So I'll get 2 energy drinks this time? What was that?
What the fuck was that? Did I kill it?
No, I started running.
It ran?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What the fuck? I just saw that bitch fucking run out.
Oh my god. Alright, so we're done. The vlog is done.
Nah, but I gotta stop driving.
Yeah, the vlog is done. We're home. We're almost here to Mimi's. I'm gonna shower again.
No, for real. I gotta go sweating, dirty.
So, OutDaNawf out. Peace, peace, peace.